everybody, this is Robert with Dailey Woodworks, and I have another Business of Carpentry video for us today. This one is not so much for the carpenters, remodelers, skilled tradespersons out there, but really more for kind of our customers. I got an email from Emily Greer at HomeGuide telling me that she is in desperate need of a contractor to do a job, and that's her job is to fit contractors with customers. I've gotten this email about 6 times, and the job is for plumbing work. The name of my business is Dailey Woodworks. The name of my second business is Texas Custom Kennels. And the name of my third business will not be Robert's Plumbing Service. But if you're a customer, you're trying to find a quality contractor, you're not going to have luck with HomeGuide, Porch, Thumbtack, Home Advisor, all these different services. Why? Because while they say that, you know, they background check and make sure they have only the licensed pros, whatever, this person is trying to contact me to sell me a plumbing job. And in Texas, unless you are a licensed plumber, you're not allowed really to even change a faucet. So as a woodworker carpenter, I come into your home, I'm not allowed to pull your toilet, and I'm not allowed to change out your sink. I'm not allowed to do all these different things. So I have to call a licensed plumber to do your remodel. And don't you want someone who knows what they're doing? But no, these services, they're going to basically sell their service to the contractors who frankly aren't good at business, aren't good at marketing, and don't have the reach, and the only place they can find customers is through these services. The fly-by-night guys, the guys just starting out. And if you're just starting out, sometimes I get it. I actually use one of these services for a very short period of time, and I'll go into that more in a later video. But as a customer, you're scraping the bottom of the barrel. And honestly, as a contractor, it's scraping the bottom of the barrel of the quality of customers. The truth of the matter is these companies don't care. They are these venture capitalist companies. The whole reason these companies exist is because someone decided this is a marketing thing that we can do to make money. I don't know which one. I'll look it up and I will put it in the description below. There's actually one of these companies that's owned by the same company that owns one of the major dating sites. So that's basically their whole gimmick, is using kind of the same tactics as the dating sites to match you with somebody. Really? Is that what you want? So Emily Greer from HomeGuide emailed me for like the 5th time over the last 6 months. Interestingly, I'm going to go back and find the emails to see if it's the same customer in need of plumbing work. It shows you, guys, like seriously, if you're a contractor, don't give your money to these services. They are hurting the trades as a whole. They lower our reputation, they lower our brand, because they are filled with, frankly, the bottom of the barrel carpenters and contractors. And likewise, if you're a contractor needing work, frankly, it's the bottom of the barrel, tire kicking, I want it done cheap, I don't want it done good, I don't care, I'm not gonna pay you, blah 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 customer. If you want the cheap bottom of the barrel guy who's gonna show up probably hungover, then go use your Home Advisor, use your HomeGuide, use your whoever. And there's probably gonna be a couple of apologists out there for it who come in and be like, that's not me, I use this service, I use this service to find leads all the time. Good for you, buddy. Good for you. One thing you might not know as a customer is all these services, HomeGuide, Thumbtack, Porch, what's some other ones? Those are the 3 big ones that I can think of right now. While to a customer, it's free to you. It's free to you as a customer. What you don't see is for that request you put out for, like, hey, I need a door installed. I do a lot of door installs in the Bryan College Station area. I need a door installed, and so I'm gonna click through their little find your carpenter baloney going to send your proposal out to 3 contractors, and they'll contact you, blah, 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 to give you a bid, quote, etc. How that works is they're going to charge the carpenter that they send that lead to of yours anywhere from like 10 to 50 bucks, depending on the size and scope of your job, depending on what it was. So as a customer, where are you best served? You're best served by Google. The one service that's free for me to use to advertise myself to you, a potential customer, that's a better search engine. I mean, you search what you want, you know, we're going to come up on that list of local guys. You can see honest reviews, because the reviews on HomeAdvisor, it's very easy to be like, that's a bad review. Oh, by the way, as a contractor, HomeAdvisor, I'm paying you for your service. So if you want me to keep me service, you need to delete that 1-star review of that guy completely ripped off. You know, you can basically pay to have your reviews pushed or pulled accordingly on HomeAdvisor, Porch, all these services that, frankly, as a carpenter, you're paying to use, so they want you to keep using it, right? They want to keep getting your $350 a year, your $300 a month to market your business, all these different things. So, of course, you know, somebody leaves a 1-star review of the job you did, it's very easy to go in there and say, hey, we're going to pull that down. That's not, you know, pull it down. I don't want it up there. But, you know, going to Google or Facebook, these, you know, public free-to-use platforms, you're going to find honest reviews there, because I have no way to curate reviews. I have no way to bolster my numbers. Yelp, Facebook, if you know, type in your search results for what you want to use. I mean, there's a lot of good carpenters and contractors out there who, you know, aren't online, don't have the online presence, do the referral only thing, and, you know, more power to them. I've got a good friend in the trades, and who that's his business model. That's how he does it. He doesn't advertise. He just word of mouth. So if you're a customer, use your Google, use your Facebook, ask for recommendations on Facebook. Somebody can link you to. I mean, that's how I've gotten a fair number of jobs that way. If somebody's like, hey, I need oh, here's one I did, kind of a little handyman job, is I removed a playscape for somebody. Somebody was asking on a little group, and somebody was like, hey, I don't know if he's the right guy to do it for, but Robert Dailey over Dailey Woodworks is great, awesome, stupendous, you know, give him a call. And so they, you know, sent me an email, and I'm like, sure, I'll come out there and, you know, remove your playscape for you. I'd be happy to. And me and my helper went out there, and one morning knocked that out in a couple hours, and we were done. So, you know, that's one way to find good contractors. Another way is, again, just Google people. There's no reason to go to these places that say they're going to network you with this, because their goal is to make money. Their goal is not to provide you a service. And if you are a contractor and you're thinking, I need to use these services because I need to get leads to have, you know, my business. Well, I get it. I understand. Like, you need jobs coming in to feed your family. You know, I get that. And that's why these services exist, is because they're preying on that fear. Nothing good ever comes from acting on fear, okay? And so you sign up for this service thinking, it's going to make me money. It's going to help me feed my family. These con artist companies are preying on that fear, and they're taking you for it. Like, how much are you spending? Like, cash, money. You're spending a couple $100s a month for, what, a 20% success rate? I close over 80% of the estimates I give. Okay, 80%. And I don't even answer my phone hardly. If you want to contact me, you better be filling out that contact form on my website. Which brings me to my final point. And I'm endorsing them, not because I'm getting any kind of kickback, but because this is who I use, and Jason and his team have done a phenomenal job for my business at Dailey Woodworks and my other business at Texas Custom Kennels. And that is HandymanWebDesign.com. Again, this is not sponsored. I don't get a kickback. You can name drop me when you sign up. I'd appreciate it, but I don't earn a commission from it. But HandymanWebDesign.com. Take the money that you're spending on these con artist lead generation companies, go get yourself a quality website made. And oh, I'm not a handyman. Okay, he can make a site for a plumber, he can make a site for a carpenter. He's got a big laundry list of websites. That's just kind of a marketing thing that he did. Handyman Web Design. I need a handyman website. I type that into Google, it comes to the top. Don't you want people to do that when they say handyman Bryan College Station? Type it in, hey, you come to the top. Okay, he's the guy for it. HandymanWebDesign.com. Customers, stop wasting your time with Home Advisor, HomeGuide, Porch, Thumbtack, all these places, because you're not going to find what you're looking for. Contractors, stop wasting your time with Porch, HomeGuide, Home Advisor, Thumbtack, because you're not going to find the customers you're looking for. Okay? Get yourself a real website, get yourself a real Google business listing, get yourself online the right way, and you will not regret it. It's money well spent. It's absolutely essential, and I see a huge return on what I invest in my website every single month without trying, with ease, and I am never nervous about my next job because I'm always booked out several months. And that is being very picky about the customers I work with and very picky about the types of jobs that I even show up to give estimates on. Okay? So if you're tired of playing this whole bidding war, paying $12, $15, $30, $40, $50 a lead that doesn't pan out, you can spend a third of that and get a good website. Okay? Okay. The Woodworks with another Business of Carpentry Driving and Ranting. Be sure to like and subscribe for more. Give me your feedback below. Come on, apologist, if you're a fan of these rip-off services and you're one of their little, you know, whatevers. So thanks for watching. If you have questions, opinions, leave them in the comments below. We'll have a discourse about it. I'm happy. Civil discourse is how we all learn. But seriously, customers, contractors, stop wasting your money and time with these fake contractor dating services, please.